Hello friends, this is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming, and I got a package in the mail today and I wanted to share it with everyone. I don't do too many haul videos and things like that, but this one's kind of special because I never ordered from this company before. It's Studio Calico, and they were having a sale. What it was they had their some of their past kits on clearance so you could get it on clearance for $10, and then they also had a 15% off coupon on top of that. So this is, if I remember right, something like a $29 or $30 kit, and I got it for $8.75 plus shipping, so it was basically $11 for a $29 kit. So anyway, this is just a little unboxing here, and I'm kind of excited because I've never ordered from this company before, like I said. So we'll go ahead and get started. I haven't seen it myself either, so pretty excited here. Can't wait to see it. Wonder if I need scissors. Okay, so I like the cardboard. I'm weird. I like cardboard, so I like the cardboard envelope here. And this is what it came in. It looks like a zipper pouch. Cool. Can use that. Always good for organizing or whatever you might want to use those for. Well, this is everything in here. This is, okay, all kinds of goodies. So that's a neat zipper pouch. It's kind of, it's solid, but it's mesh. You know what I mean? There's no holes, but it feels like mesh, and it's clear, so you can see what's in there. I like things, to use things for organizing that you can see through, so I know what I'm getting before I open it. So that's awesome. Let's go by size here. Okay, alright, so smallest on top. This is a little bag of binder clips. They're pink, and they are, trying to see, oh yeah, I saw these. Looks like I'm going to need scissors to open these, but when I saw these online, I sealed the deal for me because they're pink binder clips and they have a little tiny bee on them. Hope you can see. I don't know if you can see through the plastic there, but yeah, so there's 3 binder clips in there. And this is a little stamp set. We've got the days of the week, numbers, and that's pretty cool because I don't have anything like this. And a little thing down here, I guess you can stamp that out and then put your date in there as like a little frame for something. So very cool. And then first little envelope, and I will be reusing all of these glassine envelopes here. So these are nice and useful. And what do we have in here? Oh, by the way, this was the, let's see, there's no packing slip here, but this was, I'm trying to remember the name of the kit. This was a scrapbook kit, and it was called, shoot, I can't remember. But it was a scrapbook kit. Okay, so these are stickers, like little banner stickers. And this is good weather today. It's my garden, and there's another little bee. I have some bee journals in my shop, so in my next bee journals I can use these little binder clips. And of course, botanicals. I like to use botanicals along with my bee themed journals. So I've got 2 in my shop, 2 traveler's notebooks that are bee themed. So these would be good for future future bee journals. Next little bag. These look like they're probably all numbers and number stickers. So we've got, yes, pink number stickers. Oh, those are cool. And next little bag. These are stickers that say, let me see, today anything is possible, on the menu. This says PM, this is AM, go for it. Bloom where you are planted, remember this. So those are two of the same thing. So that's cool, kind of like a little strip of washi tape in sticker form. Okay, next bag. This looks like some more stickers. Let's see. Yeah. I'll probably even reuse these stickers here if I can. It says inspiration delivered. That's cute. Okay, so these are little arrows, hearts, stars, and like with these short arrows and the longer, different size arrows down here. Two of those. And this looks exciting because I love anything with maps or postage. I'm not sure, is this a pocket? It looks like, okay, that's what it is. It's for like, it's got the holes in here for maybe a planner. And it's solid. Trying to see which way is up. It looks like this way is up. Solid on this side with like some graph design here, graph paper design. It's cardstock. Graph paper design, a postage type right there, and the map. Right here, map, and the same thing over here. Like a piece of a label, and it's a pocket. Oh, very cool. I love that. And this says March 2017. This is okay. This is this is like a little packing card or packing slip. This that's right. Now I'm remembering, or not remembering, but now this jogs my memory of why I ordered this. This kit was called the Birds and the Bees, so that's why it has those bee-themed different things in here. And it says sunny, refreshing, delightful. Get to know the birds and bees. Our March kit takes you into a field of wildflowers with a buzzy and bright color scheme. Color theory pairings, and it has yellow, pink, green, blue, green here, I guess, to give you an idea of what goes together. So it says you'll fall in love with our mix of fresh floral patterns and poppy accents. And this is looks like it. I mean, I guess I can use this as a journal card. It's pretty cool. I can leave this side as is, or cut it in half. That's probably what I'll do. And then put something over on this side if I want to make it more writable surface, something solid or with lines. So that's very pretty. The flowers. And the last envelope here. Let's see if we can get this open without tearing anything. And this is, let me see, some cardstock, it feels like. Pretty flowers, pink with black centers. Almost like a lavender background. And it's double-sided, and this side is like a graph paper design with a blue, kind of almost looks like a night sky or a cloudy sky on graph paper on that side. So it's three sheets of cardstock here. They look like they're about 8 by 6 or 9 by 6. And this is the green leafy design, like branches. And on this side, very pretty botanical type gray and white. Here looks like kind of like a splattered paint design, which is very pretty. And over here, ledger paper. On the top it says month, and there's a line for a date there, and then this is 1 through about 31 there, numbers on the top with a grid design. So very cool. I'm glad I got it. I wanted to see what what the kit included and what Studio Calico was all about. So that was gave me a good idea for a great price. And I hope you enjoyed the opening of this, and I did. And if you wanted to see what you get in a kit from Studio Calico, now you know. And so do I. So pretty cool. I like it, and I would definitely order again. I mean, watch for their sales. You can sign up for their emails. I'm not promoting them. Or I am promoting them, but I'm not doing a commercial here. But if you sign up for their email, they send you their specials and sales, and so that's how I found out about this. So I think it's pretty cool. A good deal. So everybody take care. Talk to you later, and have a good night.